Hello and welcome to Before You Buy, where we take a look inside the kit before you buy yours. This week we have the Ramchargers Dragster, an advanced design transport truck, brought to you by MPC and Round 2. Yes, this box has two complete kits, expanded decal sheet, pad printed drag slicks, and this classic vintage packaging. A few of the featured items inside. Our kit number is MPC970/12. There you can kind of see the two together and some more features, like the windshield swings up, custom interior. The whole front of this cab, you can kind of see a seam there. This does swivel around that hinge. We have the rail on the bed of the truck, and we even have an opening and closing tailgate. Classic Round 2 fashion, we do have the kind of breakdown of all the parts, kind of a little preview of what's inside. This kit has a production date of 3/30/2022, and I just kind of want to hit on some history of this kit. I do believe this combo has only been released once before, and that was in 1968, and the kit number on that one is 710-300. There is some people saying that there's a 71 release, but I think that's only because of the Ramchargers Rail Dragster was released originally by itself in 1971, but I think this combo was a 68 only release until this 2022-2023 release we have here in front of us. The transport truck had a release on its own, and that was, I would assume, in the same ballpark. Scalemates only says 1960 blank, so I would guess that that's in the 68 time frame as well. But enough about those kits. Let's take a look inside this one, see what you get inside. Starting off on top, you do have a chrome packaging with a couple of trees. We do have one clear bag there and a steel axle. We have 4 tires in a bag, 4 more tires in a bag, and we do have some, looks like a small clear windshield and some reds there. Looks like we have our transport body by itself, our rail dragster, and some miscellaneous bits for the transport truck. And finally, in the bottom, we do have our decal package and instructions for each of the vehicles inside. Let me get this stuff unbagged, and we'll take a closer look. Okay, we got everything unbagged, and we will, again, we got just the single steel axle. Here is clears. Looks like we have a small windshield for the dragster and a clear and red setup for the transport truck. We'll give you a look at the decals. Nice double decal. There is a look at all the stuff for the dragster. And then here is the Ramchargers transporter. You got some white stripes there at the bottom, specialty transport or the Ramchargers transporter. Some unique styling graphics, USA, MPC, and some random stars. Nice little decal set. And just a quick look at the instructions, give you an idea of what they look like. This kind of unfolds out. Small segments. It's kind of our decaling layout, so you know where all the contingencies go. I will have pictures of everything at the end if you'd like to look closer at them. But let's start off with the dragster itself. We can start with the tires. There's our pad printed Racemaster slicks. You even have the size on there. Again, these are a hollow slick. And then our front runners are Pirelli labeled with the size there. Same on both sides. Nice set of drag slicks and front runners. the chrome tree. Start there with the zoomies and other engine parts, steering parts. Look at the set of mag wheels, the Hemi head valve covers, oil pan, blower hat, belts, the blower itself, front axles, the miscellaneous steering and chrome. Give you a good look again at everything. Two-piece front wheels. And now onto the styrene parts. We do have a two-piece frame rail, a top and bottom front nose section. Look at our seat with belts molded in. Looks like we have a differential housing there, or chute. It's like a little racing helmet. A shaft. There's our engine block and head pieces, part of our roll bar, and some other small roll bar parts. Here's the rear section of the dragster body. Again, it has a simulated separate top, but it is molded together. And some more frame parts, wheel parts go there. And that covers it for the dragster itself. And we can move on to the transporter truck. Starting off with the wheels on that one as well. Got some nice treaded tires. It is kind of a big and little setup. These are branded with the size. And Goodyear on the other. Same with the rears. There's a look at the tread. Nice set of tires. Take a peek at the clears for this one. There you can see the hinges for that front window. Just a mostly flat back glass. And some headlights or round pieces. We'll go to the chrome tree here. We got one loose part. Looks like a transaxle assembly. We got a bumper pan there with MPC license plate. Good looking grill. Some really unique wheel combos. A little 3-spoke wheel. Some bumper ends or bumperettes. Maybe some linkage there. Got some chrome shocks. Vents maybe. I'm not sure about this kit. Looks like we got a straight 6 under the hood. Chrome wheel backs and our engine accessories. Starter, other half of our transaxle belts, pan. And moving on to the white styrene. We'll start off with the cab, or what it is of a cab. Let's have a door there. Looks like we have part of our front opening door setup. There's another section there. And then its mate is the bed. So some big flares. Underside is a frame. Looks like our pivot point. And the bed floor does have some nice treaded texture and design work in there. Good looking detail work. Gonna make those up to give you a glimpse of what it will look like when it's together. Nice little unique truck for transporting your dragster or whatever else you'd like to put in the back of it. And here is our frame, another part of that pivot section. Here we have a engine plug, if you want to do it that way. And here's our interior, the custom upholstery, Door panels. Nice unique look. Lots of texture and detail in there. Yeah, looks like we got a straight axle for the front end. Some leaf springs, drive shaft. Small little dash panel with some detail. Or custom unique butterfly steering wheel. Some wheel backs. Not sure what that part is there. I think we are at the last tree. Looks like a rear of the cab and maybe tailgate there. And some other unique parts for a unique vehicle. Little tiny radiator and header. And that'll do it. Again, we'll have pictures at the end of this one. There's a link to Scalemates. I'll try to add everything I can to the Scalemates page, as there's nothing on Scalemates for this one. But stay tuned for the pictures, and we'll see you next time.